Okay guys, Rev O Aurora Place 2-bedded BNIB. Okay, bila you masuk je you nampak cabinet, ada drawers, washing machine and also refrigerator. Okay, all these are provided but you can bring your own things, so they have all that you can use. Okay, please keep it clean. And the freezer, nothing. The drink, you can keep your drinks here. Okay, one dining table, one sofa bed. You can use it as sofa bed also. Okay, very nice view. Very nice view. There are two views. Okay, the other one is the room view. There's Balai Bomba Bukit Jalil. Bawah is Lebuh Raya Bukit Jalil. 2 bedroom. That is a common room and that is master bedroom. Sini ada TV. Okay, common restroom or toilet masuk dalam Okay, shoe rack of course, and there's a bidet. Okay, ada bidet, very good. Okay, so conditioner, shampoo all provided. Okay, and shower. Okay, outside there's one big sofa here, chairs, 4 chairs for the dining table, and this is master bedroom. Okay, there are hangers. You boleh hang your clothes. Okay, open it up. Okay, 1 cupboard, 3 doors. Okay, the window, the bed. Okay, another bedroom lah. Another restroom. Okay, another restroom. Ironing board provided. Side bed table, cupboard, writing table or study table. Okay, I'm gonna open up the view. Very nice view. Okay, Lebuh Raya Bukit Jalil, Sri Rakyat, flat Sri Rakyat, Jalil Damai Apartment. Okay, kalau you zoom in sana, tu ada apa tau? Apa tower tu? Merdeka 118. This one is TRX. You zoom dekat lagi sikit, sharp. Okay, belakang ni ada KLCC. Okay, hanger. Okay, coming out, we're going to the common bedroom. Bilik ni you boleh hang. Okay, ni dia pay cupboard. I tunjuk you dia ada extra apa tau, mattress. You boleh tidur luar. So at least 6 orang boleh tidur luar. Boleh tidur 2 orang. 2 orang provide lagi extra pillow. Okay, these are the shelf for you to keep your clothes. And a bedroom. A bedroom pula. Okay, ni dia punya view lah. Okay, nanti you tengok. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Smash the like button, comments and share. Aurora Place Rev O. Dia ada sana ada Sovo, but this one is Rev O. RM1,200, 4 malam, 5 hari. Korang do korang punya maths Come and support the owner. Okay, thank you. See you again. Bye. Okay guys, world's tallest second building, Merdeka Tower. Merdeka 118 sebelah kiri, yang sebelah kanan yang tinggi TRX, Tun Razak Exchange 108 floor. Then you tengok, you nampak KL Tower sama KLCC. Very nice view. Okay guys, aku sekarang dekat dia punya gym tingkat 30. Keluar je gym swimming pool. Okay. Itu park ataupun Sky Park Residences. Tu Paraiso. Bawah Pavilion Bukit Jalil. Okey. Korang dah nampak swimming pool dia tingkat 30. Tak ada orang, lumus. Tak ada orang, tak ramai orang. Ni kids pool. Ada tempat duduk, isi rehat tak cukup kat sini. Boleh duduk lagi, okey. Okay guys, ini dia back entrance of Parkson Department Store Pavilion Bukit Jalil. Dan kat mana terletak Aurora Place Rev O. See? Dekat awak. Dekat cantik. Sini turun. Jalan kaki sikit. Zebra crossing. Boom! Parkson.